Hello, I'm Nishat Siddiqui and I'm a consultant cardiologist and I specialise in cardiac MRI scans. I'm standing here in the control room of the MRI suite where since April of this year we're pleased to report that we've started scanning inpatients in terms of cardiac MRIs. Up until very recently, we were sadly unable to offer this service within the health board and patients were having to travel as far as Bristol in order to get their scans. Cardiac MRI scans are the gold standard scan for looking at the structure and function of the heart in very close detail. One of the ways we use a cardiac MRI scan is in an instance where you want to decide whether or not a patient's had a heart attack or has an illness that involves inflammation of the heart muscle called myocarditis. In this instance, this can make a real difference in the diagnosis for a patient prior to their discharge. We can now offer this service to all inpatients who need it, and eventually the plan is to roll this out to all the outpatients as well. The fact that we're now doing cardiac MRI scans allows us to provide a service for our patients that's the gold standard closer to their home.